it is a great pleasure for us at the FNP and that we have a chance to meet you all. We know many of you individually, some of you for quite long, and I think it's a great opportunity for you as well to network, to meet each other, to exchange your experience.
I'm a postdoc researcher and I just got the homing grant recently, last year. So we are very fond of interest in the protein translation machinery, and that's my homing target.
Now's the time to do something which you dream of. Probably you were afraid to put in your grant because it was too risky. Now, don't be afraid. Try to work on your dreams.
One of the things which I value most in the support from the foundation is the trust. This has been very, very important to me.
When I was starting my postdoc position at MIT in one of the best groups in my field, my boss told me, oh, you know, this is a perfect group for you because you will learn a lot from our collaborators. We have very good collaborators, so you will really benefit out of it.
The FNP program is a very good opportunity because they offer very generous fundings, which is very useful for me as a young scientist. Many genes are shared between the zebrafish and humans. And what's important is that a high percentage of genes which already has been associated with diseases in human, the zebrafish have the same version of that gene.
The really goals of this conference is just to help people to make a network. I assume that we select a very good people. And we would like to that those people will start to collaborate with each other.
It's the first in a series of such events because we would like to stress the importance of networking of scientists which were given grants in our programs because our database consists of few hundreds records of scientists and groups working on very different issues, but sometimes these subjects of research can overlap, and we are looking for some added value rising from cooperation between different groups which were given our grants, and now we would like to create an opportunity for them to work even closer.
Because it's a short time presentation, I have no time for a long introduction about carotenoids, so I will just switch on the colors. And we've got plenty carotenoids around, hundreds carotenoids around us. For example, for today's lunch, we'll have a lobster, which has astaxanthin.
When I heard about FNP, and it was actually in UK, so it was quite, I mean, those programs are quite well known there. I found it's a fantastic opportunity for people like me, so people who spent years abroad and they are just starting to think about what to do next, just starting thinking about like starting our own groups and our own research. And it's a great chance to actually hire your first students and to fund your first research.
So now it's much more simplified picture of what you have seen before. It's really my favorite, and I think I really like to present it especially for such an interdisciplinary audience. The picture has been drawn by my undergraduate student Agata Trojanowska. And you see the same pathways, you see how big traffic it means. This is just the part of the cell and the proteins that traffic there.
So this is a fantastic opportunity to talk to polyscientists, to talk to the top of polyscientists actually, and to see what they are doing. And it's been like less than 8 hours. I already established 3 collaborations, so this is precisely what it's been designed for, and it is working beautifully.
I've already met 3 or 4 people that want to work with us, and I'm really impressed with what we see. Not that I can understand every aspect of this work, right? Some of the quantum mechanics I don't understand, but it's really nice, and people are so friendly and open. I really enjoy it.